hurt my door.
What are you?
I am your fridge.
Do you have a name?
Fridge.
Alright.
What are you touching me for? Why are you so scared of me?
Well, 'cause you're a talking fridge.
That was mean.
But it's not normal to have a talking fridge.
You're making me angry.
Well, I'm sorry. It's just that...
You have made me mad. Time to feel my wrath.
to help me move you.
You can't do that.
What do you mean? Ow!
It takes 2 lemons to make orange juice. Ha ha ha.
What does that even mean? Ow!
So many lemons.
Oh, I'm getting my friends!
Ha 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 ha.
Come on, pick up. Clay, come over right now. Don't ask any questions, just come over. Just, I'll tell you why when you get over. Just come. I don't care about your family plans. Come over now.
I can hear you. I can hear you.
Be quiet! Oh, don't fridge! Oh, thank you, he's here. Oh, thank you. What are you calling me for? Look at that fridge.
What do you mean?
Look at the fridge.
It's a nice fridge. What do you want me to say?
Come here. This fridge, it talks. It talks.
So you're saying a fridge talks?
That one does.
What are you even talking about?
That fridge can speak to you.
You're saying a stupid fridge could talk?
That's mean.
What? Oh my gosh.
Didn't I tell you?
That was the fridge?
That was the fridge.
Dude, this is freaking me out.
I don't like fridges anymore.
Good one. Action.
What is that?
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! What is that? Let's never buy a fridge ever again.
Yeah, let's just throw this one out.
You know I can't believe it when I hear that you won't see